Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video I am going to show you how to use calendar layout. Go to Shortcode settings. Then go to Shortcode attributes. Copy the calendar template shortcode. Create or open the page on which you want to add this shortcode. Paste the shortcode. Click on Publish or Update button and view the page. View the output on the page. By default, month view is shown. You can select week view, also day view. You can view next and previous month events. By clicking on Event, a pop-up is appear. Click on Read More button to view more info about that event. You can filter the event based on category. Thanks for watching the video.